What if I told you there's a secret recipe to creating viral videos, and it starts with an AI-powered chef? Not just any chef, but animals cooking up pure magic. Yes, AI animal chef videos are taking Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube by storm. If I show you the results of this TikTok account, you'll be blown away. This account gained nearly 58,000 followers with just 16 videos, and every single one went viral, racking up millions of views. He's also uploading the same videos on Instagram, where he's already gained 59,000 followers with just 30 posts. Here's the link to his store, where he sells digital products and effortlessly attracts thousands of customers, earning thousands of dollars every single month. This account is posting two types of videos, animal chef and animal driving videos. In this video, I'll show you how to create animal chef videos in just 4 simple steps. As for the animal driving videos, they're already uploaded on my channel. Check out the link in the description. Step 1. Chat GPT image prompts. To create these videos, we need a powerful prompt to generate stunning images of animals cooking delicious recipes. And Chat GPT is the ultimate tool for crafting the perfect image prompts. I'm already logged into Chat GPT and ready to go. I'll provide all the necessary details, and Chat GPT will generate amazing responses based on the information we give it. You can find this command prompt in the comments section, so you can try it out and practice creating your own. I've submitted the command prompt, and ChatGPT has generated all the image prompts perfectly based on the information we provided. Now that we have our text prompts ready, it's time for the next step, generating the images. Step 2 is all about text to image. To bring these prompts to life, I'll use 2 of the most advanced text to image AI tools, Leonardo AI and Ideogram. I'll compare the results from both to see which one delivers the best visuals. Now, I'll copy the first prompt and head over to Leonardo AI to generate the image. I'm already logged into Leonardo AI, one of the best free text to image tools, offering 150 free credits every day to its users. After logging in, click on the Image Creation button. Now click on the model or preset and select the Cinematic Keynote for ultra-realistic results. In the Image Dimensions section, click on More and select the 9:16 ratio, perfect for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. After that, paste the prompt and click on Generate, and Leonardo AI will take just a few seconds to create stunning images based on your prompt, using 24 credits per generation. Meanwhile, I'll head over to Ideogram AI. I'm already logged in, and I'll paste the same prompt, select the 9:16 ratio, and choose the realistic mode to generate the image. Using the same settings and prompts, I'll click the Generate button and then compare the results from each AI tool to determine which one works best. Let's take a look at the results generated by Leonardo AI. As you can see, the results are absolutely stunning. Leonardo AI has created ultra-realistic images that are truly impressive. And if I show you the Ideogram results, you'll be amazed. I'd love to hear your choice. Just write the name of the AI tool you liked in the comments section. In the same way, I'll copy each prompt and generate the images. If the results don't turn out as expected, I'll regenerate them until they're just right. I'll show you the results as soon as all the images are generated. Here are the images we've generated using both Leonardo AI and Ideogram AI. The next step is to bring these images to life, so step 3 is image to video. To transform the images into videos, I'll use 2 of the most advanced image-to-video AI tools, Hailuo AI and Runway ML. First, I'll head over to Hailuo AI. Search for Hailuo AI and click on the first link to access the tool. I'm already logged in, and Hailuo AI offers 100 free credits to all users every day. As you can see, Hailuo AI has become even more advanced. Now you can generate ultra-realistic scenes with it for free. To generate videos from images, I'll click on the Try Now button. As you can see, there are 2 options, text to video and image to video. Since we already have the images, I'll select the image to video option. Now, click here to upload the image. After that, add some keywords to help Hailuo AI generate the video exactly as we expect. Make sure to select the i2v01 model and set the quantity to 1. Then click the Generate button to create your video. It will take some time and cost 30 credits to generate the video. Meanwhile, I'll head over to Runway ML. Search for Runway ML and click on the first link to access the platform. I'm already logged in. I'll click on the Try Now button to start generating the videos. Now click here to upload the image. I'll upload the same image to Runway ML. After that, I'll add the same keywords we used in Hailuo AI. The image is now loaded, and I'll click on the Generate button to create the video. Once the videos are generated, I'll show and compare the results from each AI tool. And here are the results from both AI tools, Hailuo AI and Runway ML. I'd rate Hailuo AI a solid 10 by 10 and Runway ML an 8 by 10 because Hailuo AI's results look much more realistic compared to Runway ML. In the same way, I'll import each image into these AI tools, generate the videos, and regenerate them if the results don't meet expectations. And we'll show you the results once all the videos are generated. These are the videos I've generated using Hailuo AI and Runway ML. The next step is to edit these videos using any video editing software. Step 4, CapCut Video Editing. I'll be using CapCut because it's free, easy to use, and very user-friendly. I opened CapCut, and now I'll import the video clips we generated with AI. After that, I'll drag each video clip onto the timeline. Now I'll add transitions between each clip for smoother playback. Now, I'll crop each video clip to ensure the main character is clearly visible. To add music, I'll search for Pixabay music and click on the first link. Now I'll search for Jingle Bells music on Pixabay. You can search for your favorite music track here, but I recommend avoiding tracks with a shield icon, as they might result in copyright claims on your videos after uploading to YouTube. I like this music track, so I'll download it to my desktop. I've imported the music track into CapCut, and now I'll drag it onto the timeline. After that, I'll delete the extra parts from the music to fit the video. Next, I'll add text to each video clip to make it more engaging and informative. I've already prepared the text for each video clip, so now I'll add it to each one accordingly. After adding the text to each video clip, I'll click on the export button to save the final video to my desktop. Once it's ready, I'll show you the final results. Wait, I have some exciting news for you. I'm leaving a link to my WhatsApp group where I offer free reviews of anyone's YouTube channel. If you need my help, feel free to join the group. It's 100% free. If you've learned something new from this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to us.